Next. Can you speak English?
Yes.
Name.
Willie Ben Chan.
6.
老外这么开放的吗？
3 to 4 times a week.
No. I mean male or female.
Male, female, sometimes animal.
Holy cow!
Cow, sheep, monkey too.
But isn't it hostile?
Horsey style, doggy style, or any style.
Oh dear!
No, they went too fast.